Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back once again to your own channel Vision Divine Tarot 204। मैं अपने सभी व्यूवर्स का आपके अपने इस चैनल पर तहे दिल से बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ। सो गाइस, एक बार फिर से आ गई हूँ मैं आप सभी के सामने एक और नए टॉपिक पर रीडिंग लेकर। एंड आज जो हम रीडिंग करने जा रहे हैं उसका टॉपिक है करंट फीलिंग्स ऑफ योर पार्टनर, देयर नेक्स्ट मूव एंड व्हेन will you guys be together. So this is you versus them, and what's going on between your person, what are their messages, what they want to say when they can't, and what are the unsaid things in between you and your person, and what is going on in their mind and thoughts, what is in between you and your persons, what this person's trying to do. And so I thought to do a reading on this topic. So I was a little bit busy in the last week, so I couldn't got the time. So now right now I'm picking up this topic and doing a reading on this. So we will. Uh, it is a general reading. So it is. If it is your story, just take it in. If it don't resonate on you, just let it go, let it fly. And we will take out the help of love messages for each pile. And we will talk about your person, what do they want to say you. And so there are three groups in front of you: pile number one, pile number two, and pile number three. So we have also objects here, so you can go with sorry, we do have these charms here, so you can go with this hi, pile number one, for those who have chosen this Jerry. So let's start your reading with pile number one for intuitively those who have chosen this pile. So we have all the cards collectively here. So yes, we will start with the tarot reading first, tarot cards first. And so we will use lots of oracles here, and we will see what more I can pick up for you, what are their energy, what are their next section and move towards you. So let's see what we do have. So let's see to the so we have within a month, and we have delays. You are in hanging position by your own will. Okay, the hangman, guys. So we have within 6 months. Okay, and we have in between 21st July to 20th August, spring season, strength card, guys. In between 19 February to 20 March, 3 months, the Empress, guys. And let's see what we do have to energy oracle decks. And we have 2 plus 4, 6 number is very important on my maybe you or your person birthday is 24 or 4 or 2, or it can be 6. 6 months, 6 weeks, and 6 years it can take. And it can also take 24 months, it can also take 24 weeks. So yes, guys. And 6 chakra archangel Metatron. So you or your person might need to work on the throat chakra. Okay. So we have strong warning. So number one is also important. So there must be lots and lots of things going on in between you and person to trust to angel guidance. Okay. And we have not the right time. Okay. And we have it's up to you, guys. So let's see what we do have through the love messages for pile number one. Then we will move, take the help of tarot decks in the end. We are made for each other. This is the message of your person. Leaving you hurt me too, but it was the need. It was the needed. Okay. And what else he wants to say you or she wants to say you? I know you are just using me. Okay, we will come towards this message as well. I know exactly what I was doing. This is the message of your person. He wants to or she wants to say you this. You fail to keep a balance between your parents and me. Okay, come back in my life. So this person wants you back in their life. I hope you will forgive me soon. So he needs you or he is asking for your apologies. I wish I could treat you better. So this is the message for you guys and we have I love you as you are. So he loves you the way you are. Okay guys, so let's move towards we have tarot cards with us. So we have the Empress. This is the confirmation. We earlier have an Empress here. Your person can be Earth sign. Uh, the Wand, Nine of Wands. So your person can be Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And we have Eight of Pentacles. So your person can be Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have the Empress. Yes, this is the confirmation. And we have the world energy guys. So your person can be earth sign. And we have high priestess. So your person can be Pisces. Okay. And we have the fool energy. So this is the air sign. So your person can be Aquarius. And we have Queen of Swords. Again air sign confirmation guys. We have King of Swords and air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have fire sign, Six of Wands. So this is the uh, is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And we have Four of Cups, water energy is also there, Cancer. And we have Two of Swords, so air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Here your person can be. And we have Hangman. So we have received the Hangman through the uh, specificity. Yes. So this shows the delay. You are in hanging position by your own will. So right now it is all about what tiny oracle decks and tarot decks wants to say you that it's up to you. It's up to your own will whenever you want, whatever the action you want to take. That is all up to you as you feel. So yes, guys. So we have Pisces here, we have Capricorn here, we have all the signs here, air sign, water sign, fire sign, Aquarius is here also, Scorpio, Pisces and Capricorn. So these all are the signs we have very prominent. So what's going on in between your person and you right now? I think that this person not feeling good enough for this love, for this relationship. Why? Because this person is already maybe in some type of situation or this person is feeling not good about this relationship. Maybe he is going through some past and this person might right now maybe in a committed relationship. This person may be going through some committed relationship and maybe he is busy with someone else and he is not happy in the situation and he is not ready, he is undecisive right now. This person is right now releasing someone and their life, okay? And they need transformation to be with them and they want to release these all the things in their past and They want to take a leap of faith towards you. They want to come towards you. And you know what I'm saying when I'm saying yeah, saying these are the things. How long they will take the time? So this person is already working with the thought chakra. So the people who have already gone through this transformation, so this is the just you need to take one step at one time. So if you are relating your situation with the same what I am uh, getting through your reading here, then you should understand that how hard or difficult for them to take such actions, okay? Because they are already recovering through the situation, the hell in the past, okay? They are going through a warning, guys, okay? So they cannot jump to the other situation at the same time. And if someone needs space and time, if they are not ready and if they are not feeling good enough, you need to give them the sufficient time so that give them space and time. So maybe they will, when they will recover, they will come towards you. They may be attracted to you, but the things will progress as you want will take definitely some time. Okay, like why you must be thinking why this person is behaving like this in the relationship, but if you're thinking that this person is thinking about themselves only, then somewhere you have also not recovered, okay, with the things you are dealing in your life. And so don't be in hurry. Give them their time, okay, they will take their time and then they will gather this strength and then they will come towards you definitely, okay. And if you are looking for this person is not ready. This person is feeling stuck. So allow him the time they are looking for the exact months or years or weeks that they need recovery. They need to trust again. Okay. Sometimes people don't just heal in short duration. Okay. They need more time. So even though maybe they have some their past experience, they are going through some traumas, they are busy in their own life, they look to like this otherwise, but they are busy and stuck in their life somewhere, okay. So that's why this is not the right time to approach him or for him or her to approach you right now, okay. So he even feel your apologize. We want to apologize for the right for the bad behavior he treated you, and that person knew that right that time what he was doing, why he was not treating you right. Okay, you like this person, but he's just making the movie. He's busy in something. But this person is having a difficult time to trust you again or to overcome the situation he is dealing or he have been in their past. But this person really wants to call you, he wants to listen your voice, he wants to give you a message. So with maybe so person definitely have a chakra problem. This person is definitely liking you, but he is not ready to take the action, so because he is stuck in their thoughts and he don't know how to communicate to you, so their feelings are stuck somewhere. And this is also talk about this person can be singer, music, a business person, or he can be somewhere in the music. So this person right now not ready to take the action towards you, and he he is not listening to his inner voice right now. Okay, so this person likes you, but he's not ready, and he don't trust on himself, and if this person is having a difficult time to trust on anyone, uh, so it is up to you if you want to hold yourself with this person or you want to wait, and it's all up to you. If you are willing to wait and be patient for this person, then you can definitely wait for this person. Otherwise, you don't need to wait. Okay, it is all your choice, guys. So don't feel that through the videos or reading. I'm not saying that go with someone, and it's all up to you as you're feeling from your within, your instinct. So go with that, okay? And if you want to move on, then you can choose and you can do whatever your instinct is saying, whatever is saying you right now. If you feel that you are detached with this person, or you are very much attached, then you need to do this person. So this is 3 plus 2, 5. So definitely is going through with something in their life. They may be trying to recover in their life, and their time is changing definitely. They are working on that. So we have it's looking definitely someone who is having a throat chakra problem right now, and this person is going through with 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 number. You are definitely waiting for this person to speak up and to tell exactly how they are feeling and what is their true feelings towards you. So this person is a perfectionist and they want everything in a perfect time, and so that's why he is not taking the action, and he is trying to recover. He is trying to overcome the situation he's in right now, and whenever he will get that strength, and then he will take the action towards you for sure. Okay, so this is this is this is the person who definitely want to treat you right, and he wants a victory with you, and this person is maybe in a public eye, so this person want to restart to begin something very solid with you right now. Okay, hmm. So the masculine energy need to trust on this feminine energy, uh, or on their intuition. So this is all up to you, whatever. But right now they need time, or you also need time. This is not the right time, and you need to trust on your own abilities. And they are feeling the hardship to explain or to communicate with you. And maybe within 6 months, within 1 month, or they are stuck in their responsibilities or their ex, or maybe they are dealing with their children, or they have some heavy responsibility towards their life. So definitely there is a third party situation, guys. But if not, if it is not, then there is a long distance relationship, different state, countries, and continent of on this world. So it could be emotional distance, it could be communication distance, or maybe you guys are not communicating each other and not sharing your thoughts with each other. Or yes, Hmm. But they are feeling very much attracted towards you because we have the high priestess here and we also have the empress card. So they feel very much attracted towards you, and he feels that you both are made for each other. Maybe this person says you this thing in past, or they have said you that this thing, and he is definitely looking for your apology. He wants to apologize for sure, and he wants to say you that come back in my life. He is looking for uh, this desperately, and he accepts you the way you are. He always loves you, whether you are uh, in whatever the color and shape or whatever it is. Okay, I know you are just using me. So there is some trust issues maybe you or your person have right now. Maybe you feel this way, or he feels this way, or she feels this way. This is the thing, and this is the confirmation that we have received through tarot, and we have received through timing oracle text that there is a delay, or you are in a hanging position, or your person is a hanging position right now by your own will, or you are in a hanging position by your own will. So you need to work on that, and it's up to you whatever you want to do and whatever the action you want to take. So um so so this could be a twin flame relationship as well, because I'm watching right now 1111. So so he definitely looks for you, and he wants to see you with them, but there are definitely some delays. This person is definitely missing you. He definitely thinks about you all the time, and but as I said, that he's stuck somewhere. So yes, this is the message for you guys, and if you really like this video for the reading I have done for pile number one, so then please do like, share and subscribe this channel, and also comment, because I can come to know that how much you are liking these videos. And yes, this is the end of the reading for pile 1, and now we will move towards the pile number 2, and let's see what they have stored for them. Okay, so bye guys, take care. Hi, pile number 2, for those who have selected this mouse. So let's see what we do, or for you, what's going on with your person, what are the feelings of your partner, everything all with your partner, what's going on basically, and what is the next move, and when is the next move when this person will take the action, and let's see what we do have for you. So let's start with Angel Oracle decks. So yes guys, improving health. Okay, we have yes, very nice. We have no need to worry. Okay, very nice. And we have big happy changes for you for sure. Okay, so let's move towards the Angel Oracle deck. What we have for pile number 2 through Angel Oracle deck. We have attachment. Okay. We have journey. Okay. For you and your person, number 5, number 2 is very important, or maybe this is the date you might have met. Number 5, again, angel of strength. So maybe you both are in no contact situation right now. Patience. 6 plus 1, 7 number again is important. 16 date is also important. Maybe in 16 days, 16 week, or 16 months, 5 days, 5 week, 5 months, 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 months, 5 days, 5 week, 5 weeks, and 5 months. Okay, 9 plus 9, 10, 11, 12 plus 1, 3, 13, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 12, 3. Sorry, why I'm saying 13? Maybe in 13 days, or 13 is also an important date for you guys. So we have fifth chakra, Archangel Gabriel. So definitely you need to, or you, your person, is working on their heart chakra right now, man, holding a heart for you guys. Okay, so let's quickly turn the timing oracle decks for all of my viewers. So we have, it might be in a day, in a year, but success is guaranteed. Summer for pile number 2, within a week. Okay, no timing indicated, but things will be in your favor for sure. So the whole reading is going on very positive right now. Let's see what next for us. In between 21 June to 20th July. So maybe in coming 2 weeks, within a year, or maybe it will take a year for you guys. Okay, so let's see what I'll quickly see the messages we have for file number 2. I am not over you. He is still missing your energy. I don't trust you anymore, so maybe you don't trust him anymore or her anymore. I'm dying for you, come back please. This is the message of your person. I left you before you left me. So because might be he is afraid to leave you, so he left you before you could leave this person. I know you trust me, so this person, or you know that he or she trusts you. I feel we are made for each other. This is the message of your person, guys. I know I messed up our relationship, so this is the message of your person. It was really hard to let you go, so he already missing you. Okay, so let's take them uh, later on again, and then we will come towards the tarot decks. What we have through tarot for, so we have, pay attention to the numbers. Okay, this person might be falling in love with you more and more. And King of Wands, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Your person can be Leo is very prominent. Knight of Wands, again fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Sagittarius mainly eminent. Nine of Swords, your person can be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Four of Wands, so your person can be in a twin flame relationship for sure. Okay. So this person sees that you are already a good catch, or you are a good enough person, and reconciliation is there, guys. Judgment, so definitely fire sign. Okay, this person is definitely from your past. 10 of Cups, water sign, Pisces energy. King of Cups, water energy, Scorpio energy. Your person can be 2 of Cups, so definitely your guys are in a twin flame journey or in a past relationship, guys. Okay, so give me a moment, just start the reading for you guys. This person can be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and so there are one major arcana where we have, yes, I love the synchronicities in this reading. So when I'm watching the picture, that there is a judgment type of thing, and definitely universe is here and they are showing their blessings towards you and your person. So there is a new beginning, new journey that is definitely with in your cards, and it's very interesting. We have 5 and 505 again, and so definitely the next date is about to come, 5th of July. So maybe you can meet this person, and or definitely you are going to reunite with this person this year only. We are already heading towards 24 to 4 plus 6. So yes, And so through, so maybe within 4 months, within 6 months, within 7 months, or within this year only. So your person can be in union. So lots of water energy we have. Lots of water energy. Ten of cups. There is some. This person is missing you with ten of cups, with two of cups, and with nine of swords. So there is some rejection, some disappointment in this card, and so right now you need to rejuvenate your energy, and you need to get more strength to overcome the past and whatever has happened in the past in between you guys, because there is definitely a reunion is coming for you, and this person is missing you. They they are in an illusion that you might have rejected them, or you have definitely rejected them in past, so they are afraid right now. Oh, I think that you both are feeling rejection for each other right now, and this person is doesn't love you. You are feeling, or your person is feeling right now. So you are feeling the similar for each other right now, okay? Because you are in a twin flame journey, guys. Okay, so this is the confirmation that we are having four of wands. So this person need to feel that you are good enough for their love, and so you need to work on your heart chakra. You need to meditate, and then the right answer will come towards you. Okay, so you need to meditate and look after your health also. So because right now the bad health is indicating, and it is improving with your all the working energy towards your health through your meditation, yoga, pranayam, and the peace of mind. You need to be patient as well. So definitely the angels are saying that you don't need to worry right now. Okay. So this is very beautiful energy, guys. Okay. I feel that this is a love that it is not describable, and the I cannot describe the feelings in the words right now. Okay, there's a magnetic pole towards each other. Okay, this is that type of energy I'm picking up here. Okay, and if you are not together, you are far in distance, you can feel each other's vibe. Okay, through each other faces, or the through the telepathic energies. So, and you can get it easily what are they are hiding, what are where they are not honest with you. And so this is very strong spiritual connection. Okay, so you are going to be soon start a great journey. Okay, guided by, protected by the divine guidance. So yes, so there can be, this person can be fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Leo is very eminent, guys. Okay, so your person can be natural born leader or entrepreneur or owner. This person can be in military, army, or defense services, or any government services as well. Somewhere very authoritative leadership qualities and kind of job he can. He he is having in his life. And Knight of Wands, he wants to come towards you. Okay, he is very passionate, inspired, and energetic person. This person can be Scorpio or Sagittarius as well. So right now this person is in missing energy, and he's missing you. And So you both are meant to be in each other's life, definitely. Okay, guys. So this is how you guys are, yin and yang energy. Okay, unbreakable. Your bond is unbreakable, especially in you guys are in a past life connection. Okay, or maybe something is there. You want to get rid of this person, but you cannot. Okay, or this person cannot because your both souls are connected with each other. Okay, so you meant to be in each other's life. So there will be definitely reconciliation we have received through the tarot. Oh, sorry, through the timing guidance as well. So yes. So no timing is indicated, but things will be in your favor. So yes, and it might be in a day, in a year, but success is guaranteed. And through the love angel decks, we have received reconciliation. So they are not showing their right feelings right now to you, but there will be success for you. I know I messed up our relationship, and I'm not over you. Okay, he is in love with you, and your intuitions are telling you. So please give value to them. Okay, there is something more which you don't know about the things is hiding. So right now, the angel divines are saying you whatever your question is, whatever is in your head, whatever is your instant, the answer is yes. Definitely, you don't need to worry, and big happy changes are there for you for sure. And within 7 months, 7 days, 7 week, and 7 hours, this person can reach you out. So you need to be patient for that. This person is already awakened to this. He is in the judgment, and he knows that this is a rebirth and inner calling situation for them, and also there is some spiritual connection for you and your person. Divine angel spirits are all guidance are always with you, and you need to make a positive decision, and then you will feel good enough.
Don't run away from the feelings so you have for each other towards this person. Okay, so this person is ready that they will take the judgment towards you, the right judgment towards you. There is a reconciliation, rebirth, and this is not like X. This is someone whom with you have a soul connection, some spiritual connection, some divine universe is looking the looking on this union. Okay, this is a past time relationship. Okay, so definitely there is a lots of attachment towards you, and but this person need lots of determination to reach towards you. Okay, you both are feeling rejection, and you are feeling attachment towards this person, and right now this is the energy for both of you. But you will definitely come to the union, but it will take the specific time which is mentioned through the timing oracle decks for you guys. And I don't know why I'm getting a lot of brightness and sun situation here, sun's energy is here. Okay, there is a lot you need to work on your heart chakra, and right now you're working. I think you both are working. And what are the love messages we have received for you? So that there is definitely a reunion and reconciliation for you, for both of you. And So might be you don't trust this person anymore, so or might be you didn't trusted on this person earlier, or might be this person didn't trusted on you earlier. Now he is realizing that, and this person feel that you are his or her soulmate, and he realized that he messed up the situation, and he messed up in the past. And then with the inner guidance, inner instinct, he knows that you trust on him, and now he's trusting on you. Whatever has happened, whatever the disappointment he brought to you, and the way he treated you, and he left you before you could left this person, and still he isn't done, he or she didn't done with you. So it was very hard for this person to let you go. That's why he is missing you, and he is very sad, he's very upset. His energy is very upset right now. He think about you, and then he regrets whatever has happened, and what he did with you was not right. And so this is the end of the reading for pile number 2. Let's move towards pile number 3, and please do like, share, subscribe this channel if you liking my. Hi, pile number 3. Let's see what is there for you, for those who have selected this cat, this cute kitty, and which is in purple color. So let's see what are stored for you through the energy oracle deck. Then we will head towards the timing oracle deck. So let's start from here. Let's begin. So we have the action. Okay. Angel of balance, and we have the heart chakra for angel guidance through the energy oracle deck. Then we have healers of ages for you. So maybe your person is in healing energy right now. Number 5, number 4, number 3, and 5 plus 4, 9 is very important for you guys. Maybe this person will reach you out within 9 days, 9 weeks, and 9 months. Okay. Yes, we have women holding a heart, we have a thinking man, and number 4, number 6, and decisions. So might be right now he is not, or she is not able to decide what or which path he should choose, or he should follow, whether he should come towards you, or is it the right time or not. Okay. So yes guys, so let's see through the angel guidance what we have for you. So for now you need to wait and look for the sign. Whatever the intuitions you are getting, the situation will improve definitely with in 9 days, 9 weeks, 9 hours, or 9 months, or it will take 4 to 8 weeks or month for you. Okay. So yes guys, and we have, so the conclusions are within reach for you. We have in the near future, might be this person will reach you out, and if you believe, definitely it will happen. And we have the summertime, so number 10. So this person will reach you by coming Friday. So within the new moon or within the full moon, so with the coming full moon or new moon, this person will reach you out definitely. So yes, so we have received the hermit card. So maybe this person will reach you out in between 21st August to September 22nd, and we have received the Hangman. So whatever will come in the future will be definitely, the change will be there for your good. Okay, so yes, so in the new moon card, so we have received the high priestess card, or maybe within 4 months, 6 months, or by the month of November. Okay, yes, so this is very religion restrictions kind of energy I'm receiving. So yes guys, this person want to say you that my love is unconditional for you, and I still feel the same for you. Okay, I feel sorry for doubting you, and he's also saying that it was my fault, but still I blamed you. Okay, so my love is unconditional. He wants to say you. I want to reconcile with you. Definitely, this person wants to reconcile with you, and I don't know the reason behind whatever has happening. Okay, so this person wants to thank you for being a part of their life. Okay, so this person wants to say you that you are the most precious gift of God for me. Okay, yeah, yes, I hope you will forgive me soon. So this person is looking for your apologies, and this person cannot see you crying. Maybe you have cried, or this person have cried for each other. So this person wants to say that I do love you, and this person wants to say that his life is, or her life is worthless without you. This person knows that what he was actually doing that time. So this person is definitely keeping an eye on you. So from far, this person maybe he's looking for that you maybe fit in within their culture or not, and about they feel that you are their true soulmate. Okay, so again, this person will take the action towards you within August, or within October, November, or if not within the end of this year, then definitely till January or February he will definitely take the action towards you. Okay, right now he is dealing with their past situation or with their karmic situation, and this will happen very soon for some of you, and for others it will take some time. Okay, right now he's juggling, struggling, and conflict, dealing the arguments and conflict situations, and he sees you very traditional, the mother in you, you are very responsible, very spiritual, very emotional, and you have such tendencies. This person sees you that very beautiful, and also you are very nurturing, and that he is very attracted towards you. Okay, so like your family values also, you you and this person is quite similar. You are same spiritual, and that's why you guys are soulmates. Okay, but in another way you both guys are different. Okay, this person is keeping an eye on you. There is an emotional distance in between you and this person is keeping an eye on you, definitely. Okay, so this is a professional Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, this person deals with the traditional matters here, and lots of traditional matters about their families, their roots, about their high priestess, their future family, but still this person is indecisive right now. Okay, they feel very defeated, and because of their tradition, their different cultures, and there are in disappointments. Okay, he really wants to take a move towards you, and he is droning towards you. Okay, maybe this person is married, and something here blocking this person energy, and codependent relationship. Maybe this person is definitely, there is family traditions, codependent. They cannot, they have to make a choice, definitely. Okay, or maybe you have a conflict with this person with some reason. You have this differences, okay, with this person. So this person wants to say you that please wait for the right time. So don't think that I have mistreated you. I want some time. So, and I messed up everything. Just give me some time for that. I will definitely work on that and will make things right for our relationship. There is something in this person's life right now. He is not able to deal. The time is not right for both of us. He wants to say you that for both of you, maybe. So this person definitely needed some time, so he made a distance with you. And if you really believe that on your instinct, so you need to work whatever the synchronicities and guidance divines are showing you. So please work on that and work on your own self right now. He is in a thinking state right now. He's thinking too much right now, and definitely you are also holding a heart for this person, or this male or female, whatever he or she is. And because he is indecisive, so yes, whether he or she wants to take action towards you. So there is some delays, because right now they are not ready, and they are in a conflicting situation. He is dealing with conflicts in their life, their family issues, or something is holding them back. And well, definitely they will take action towards you and will reach out towards you. And so there is 8 number, 9 number, 8 week, 8 days, 8 9, and definitely message and call, or there is a text is coming for you. And so this person is very positive about the future, because there is lots of sun energies in all the cards. So they will definitely communicate with you. So this person maybe love to play guitar or something, some music instrument. So definitely this person will call you, reach you out towards you, and through the email, call, or text. This person wants to talk to you, will talk to you for sure. This person can be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and definitely this person can be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This is very eminent and strong sign. This person want to see you as their spouse, or their life partner for the whole life. They want to be in your union, and they want to see you together. Okay, so definitely they want to make a commitment to you, but something is holding them back right now. They are not ready for that reason, and definitely they want to be with you. So we have all the signs with us. With this is a confirmation we have received, High Priestess card, and this person wants to marry you for sure. And we have, if you, in the near future, definitely you will receive a communication from this person. And for now, you have to let go all the negativities, all the negative thoughts, or you are holding in your heart for this person, or with the situation you have gone through. But yes, and the situation will definitely improve, and you need to work on your own self right now. Focus on your own energies, and be on some right yoga meditation, so that the right result can come for you, for the betterment of both of you. Okay, so So this person feels very magnetic, or you both feel very magnetic pull towards each other because you both guys are in soulmate energy, and you guys are very maybe dealing the situation. Maybe do you or your person have a baby also, and this is the synchronicities here. So definitely this is talk about the action, but with this in near future, this person will take action towards you. And we have the woman holding a heart, so definitely you both have feelings, deep feelings for each other. So yes, definitely right now they are not ready, but for the future they will definitely come up with something very solid for you. And right now they are not ready, and they need to work on, or you need to work on your heart chakra. Okay, and you need to rejuvenate your energy and come out of your indecision state. Whatever is holding you back, and you're juggling in your own head right now, so you need to come out of that. And for that you need to meditate you need to energize your own energies. Okay, and also because there is no balance in your life, so you need to make a balance with their past, and then only they can take a leap of faith towards you and come towards you with all the right attitude and right feelings and feelings for you. So they have very deep desires for you, but because of the situation, true love for you, but because of the situation they cannot take the right action, and it will take time. So this is the, so yes guys, and so definitely this person is holding a heart for you, and he is in a thinking state right now. The situation will only improve when he will make a peace with their past and then take the action towards you. Right now not the right time. Okay, and then only the situation will improve for you guys. And yes, if they are dealing with the stuck situation, and when they will end the situation, and then will they only will take the action towards you. And that's why they are juggling in their own head right now. And then because they want to start anew with you, and also, and whatever the change will be there will definitely for your good, and for the success will be there. So within, so I told you already that within new moon cycle, or within August to September, you will receive a call or message from this person. In summer season also, within the new moon cycle or full moon cycle also, which is about to come next this month end. And yes guys, this is double confirmation that high priestess card we have received through tarot decks, and also we have received through timing oracle deck. So we have received that definitely this person sees you with this energy, and it will take this much time in your reunion. And definitely you are in soulmate journey, and you are mirroring each other's energy right now. Yes guys. He sees you very intuitive, very psychic, very nurturing, and a very humble person. And he treats you like a queen. And right now he is juggling with their own energies, so he is not able to take any action towards you or reach out towards you. But otherwise, he is 24/7 thinking about you. So we have received through uh, energy oracle deck, and we have received through. Through tarot decks as well. So this is a confirmation that, so here I am ending the reading for you guys. This is the end of the reading, so please do like, share, subscribe for more such reading, and stay tuned. I will see you soon with some other topic, some other reading, and you can suggest as well. So yes guys, I will see you soon. And if you're really liking my videos, so please do comment, so that I can bring more such videos for you in future ahead. So bye, love you guys, take care.